Hi everyone, this is Ankur here. There's a proverb saying that if you pay peanuts, you'll get monkey. I don't know that I would be able to show you monkey today, but in this video, I'm gonna show you some peanuts. Yes, my previous videos are from the different international location, but today I am at my hometown, which is called Akodia Mandi, and I'm in the farmhouse of a where we have a peanuts grown. So in the next few minutes, you're gonna see how the peanuts actually, which we call moongfali in Hindi, are grown and how it is taken out from the farm. So let's spend few minutes taking a few videos, few minutes. He is my friend Bharat Singh Hada, who is gonna show us actually how the peanuts are taken from the ground. So keep watching me for the next few minutes and you're gonna enjoy, see the complete processing of the peanuts from the ground, the fresh peanuts, how does it taste. So let's भारत यहाँ से निकालने वाले हैं कुछ पीनट्स के पेड़. आप देखें किस तरह से वो पेड़ों को खींचते हैं और ये पीनट्स उनके जड़ों में रहती है. ये देखिए. तो भरत कितनी जगह में आपने पीनट्स को और मूंगफली को यहाँ पर बोया है?
ये 5
विस्वा, जबकि मतलब कि आपकी 1 बीघा का 1/5 है, राइट है?
हाँ. नहीं, एक आधा बीघा का भी आधा
बीघा का भी आधा. तो कितनी मूंगफली हुई है टोटल?
इसमें से मान लो 2 कुंटल.
2 कुंटल के आसपास मूंगफली आपको हो जाएगी. तो ये देखिए छोटे छोटे जो यहाँ पर आप प्लांट देख रहे हैं, ये दिस इज ऑल पीनट्स. सो विल टेक 1 पीनट्स आउट फ्रॉम दिस रूट एंड देन विल शो. कैन यू ग्रो? या जस्ट ब्रेक फ्यू पीनट्स. एक बार तोड़ के बताओ पीनट. ये देखिए इसमें रेड. ये कुछ इसका नाम क्या, मतलब कुछ मूंगफली की भी क्वालिटी क्या कुछ है? नहीं,
ये सफेद दाने वाली है यार.
सफेद दाने वाली मूंगफली इसको बोला जा रहा है. दिस इज वाइट कलर पीनट. सो गाइस, दिस इज अ शॉर्ट वीडियो अबाउट हाउ द पीनट्स आर ग्रोन. It's a small beautiful farmhouse where people are working actually to take the peanuts out. So these are the workers, actually family members who are taking peanuts, and this is all the roots actually. Fresh peanuts. This is the view, 360 degree view of this particular farmhouse, which belongs to my friend Bharat Singh Hada. And with me I have friend Rituraj Jaiswal and Sandeep. Great, thank you for watching me. Thank you for this amazing video. Thank you.
खाली हो गई जगह.
Yeah, so we got some peanuts actually from the farmhouse, and you're gonna see actually we are gonna cook this peanuts here in this particular, in the big farmhouse. And here my friend Sandeep actually, who is getting prepared. You see what in the polythene is all peanuts, fresh peanuts taken from the ground. So you'll see me actually cook making these peanuts on this fire, and that would be but tasty, and you're gonna love the whole process of taking the peanuts out from the ground, and then finally it is putting this on the fire and making them eatable from the raw. You're gonna love it. Keep watching. You see people preparing a lot, taking the I would say the woods from all around. Someone would have a fire stick to blow them up and just to make the fire away. So the group, keep ready, keep watching.
हाँ डालू यार. वो अब क्या है कि भैया तो मालूम है यार कि भैया विदेश में तो यहाँ हो गया जगरा. हाँ नहीं दिख जाएगी अब दिख जाएगी. बहुत तापमान है नीचे ऊपर का. तापमान अपना इनसे अपने दांतों का तापमान रहेगा बाकी. और क्या सब हो जाएगी. तो परिक्रम वो अपने पास वो लकड़ी है, फिर उससे बड़ी वो मत डालो. भले तो बाहर दिन डाला और डाल दो. नहीं तो लाओ डाल दो अच्छी से. लाओ नहीं. अरे तोड़ बंद मारे. अरे तोड़ो भाई. हेलो तोड़ो. ध्यान से तो पायलट है. मैंने खेते सब है. आटा है हमें. ये जब कांटा नहीं डर रहा है.
यार डॉक्टर साहब सीख जाएगी मतलब यार, दम रहता भले हमारा बस की बात नहीं रहती।
So this is the fire. You see, all the peanuts are sprayed on that, and I can see some sound chut chut chut. People are saying that the peanuts are cooked up now. In next few minutes, we are gonna put the fire away and start taking our peanuts one by one. And you'll see that movements as well, where we see the fresh peanuts taken from the ground, taken from the roots, and then putting up on the fire to make it like a well cooked. Right, so you see Rathur Kaka actually putting and preparing the peanuts cooked for us. Here we are ready with the well cooked mungfali, so let's start eating this. And wow, this is raw mungfali. Oh my god, amazing. It is delicious. So if you got off fresh, if you see, this is not crispy, this is raw, this is super sweet actually. Like this. Amazing. It's too good.
ये बहुत टेस्टी लग रही है।
चल लग रही है, थोड़ी थोड़ी तो सीख जाएगी।
नहीं वो क्या सीख गई इधर वाले।
So some of the mungfali or the peanuts are not cooked, so Ratu Kaka putting the fire again.
थोड़ा मैडम जान दो इनकी, जब बड़ी बड़ी वहाँ पटक बंद भूल।
Great, thank you. I think we are gonna enjoy this mungfali for the next few minutes, and I doubt that I'm gonna have dinner today. Oh my god, so see the fire next to me. So thank you for watching. I think it was a great experience. Momo away from the crowd of the metropolitan cities to small village where you see farmhouse all around. Thank you for watching.
उसके बाद वो बेसुदी मतलब उनका वो ही चले गए, मतलब
इलाज करवाना पड़ा,
मतलब बचे वो मरने से बच गए। वो उसका जिला खतरनाक रहता है, इसका
रिस्क लो यार, फोकट में एंजॉयमेंट करने के चक्कर में और उल्टा धक्का देना पड़ा।
नहीं हो गया ना अपना उनका, कहाँ पर?
हाँ और क्या, ये भी तेरी है क्या?
ये
लगा दो यार, यही लगा दो।